so you don't have glass coming loose into the cab. That's pretty much ready. Is the glass channel all cleaned out and everything? Let me grab a vacuum. Just pulling the track out. Yeah. Slide it right out from under the glass. There, now that'll let you clean it up real good. Now you should be able to just slip it back in. Sometimes you have to move the glass, slide it over, and trap the rail. Got to unlatch it. There. Now bring the glass this way. Now pinch the rail and it'll slide it over. There, now it's in. Now keep it slid all the way over. Keep it all the way over here. Yep, like that. That's where we want it for installation, is all the way over. Okay, now get the panel. And alright, so we have the opening prepped. And this is a little different procedure. This is a glass shop that I'm currently visiting, Cherryland Auto Glass in Traverse City. And we've run the dark primer that they use. I use the clear around the edge of the broken glass, as you can see. So this is ready to put our window in. We've got our two clamps up on top. We've got our tape right here. And I've made a cardboard wedge out of the box that I shipped the glass in to help assist hold the window in place. So Brian is over there running the urethane on the window, and because they have cups, they can do it this way. You may want to put the urethane actually on the body. Alright, a little easier when you got a cup like this. He's going to find his lower corner, or his upper corner. Set it in. Alright. Now put your clamps in place. These clamps really help make the fit. Alright, now you need to come down into this. You're going to have to come out here. And you're going to take this and you're going to put it right here, and you're going to run tape out to where the cup is, back around the corner, and draw this down. Alright. Stop. Okay, after using some brute force technique here and really pushing this down and bringing this tape around, this is tight as a banjo string.
Put a couple more. The more you go this way, the tighter it makes it.
And you can see we got that glass right down there almost flush with the cab. It looks real nice. It does stick up a little bit, but it makes for a nice fit. Keeping in mind this is a patch panel. We're going to address the inside issue of the seal next.